Are you ready to take your investment game to the next level? Propwire is the ultimate tool for finding both on-market and off-market real estate properties. Propwire offers a user-friendly platform that empowers you to search for properties listed on the multiple listing service, or the MLS, as well as off-market properties, eliminating a huge barrier to entry for a lot of new investors to find off-market properties. Propwire provides that data for you so you can save money on marketing costs and find those off-market properties. First, let's dive in and show you how to find on-market properties on Propwire. Go to propwire.com and put in your market. Today we're looking in Tampa, Florida, and under lead types, you scroll down and you can choose MLS active, pending, or sold. Now, for today, let's see everything active, but I also want to see everything pending, so we can select both. I don't want to see sold because that would be more useful for comping. I want to see anything that's active or pending, and hit search. Simple as that. We are now seeing everything active and pending here in Tampa, Florida. You can see on the map, dots that are yellow are pending and the blue are active and listed. If you open up the advanced filters, we can put in a little bit of additional information here as far as minimum of beds and baths, bathrooms, stories, building size, lot size, year built, and occupancy status. We could put in the owner filters or financial filters or some of the MLS filters. You could say that you only wanted to see things that were brand new that had a maximum of 2 days, or you could say, I want to see things that are really old, so I want to see a minimum of 100 days. I also have to have photos. We also have some other MLS keywords where it'll search the description of the MLS listing for things that say it's owned by an investor, that they're open to creative financing, or that they are a motivated seller. We have a full video that breaks down how to use these advanced filters if you'd like to learn more. Even with these properties that are listed on market, Propwire still provides you some additional information. For instance, this shows us that this property is an absentee owner, someone who lives out of state but owns this property, and they own this property free and clear. So that is helpful information to know as you market to this property. Clicking on any individual property from an MLS listing will pull up the description from the MLS listing. Propwire will also provide you with all other information it can pull as far as the beds and baths, square feet, year built, the school districts, the listing agent, the broker information, as well as the mortgage and equity information, the land information, tax information, and you can tab over to the owner tab to see that this owner owns 16 other properties, which means they're probably an investor. We can see the history of this property as to when the last time it was bought and sold, and we can run a quick market analysis to see how the market in Tampa, Florida has been performing in this zip code and what is going on at a glance. Now let's shift our focus to off-market properties. Propwire goes beyond the MLS and allows you to discover hidden gems that aren't widely available to the public. Looking for off-market properties is where Propwire really shines. Today we're going to look in San Antonio, Texas, and then you come over to your lead type and you can select any type of lead you'd like to see. Now, as long as you don't choose MLS active, pending, or sold, the rest of these properties will all be off-market leads. You could also list stack and choose more than one of these leads and select must match all selected, which would show you a combination of the two leads, narrowing down your search even further. If you'd like more information on how to list stack, we have a full video on how to do that for off-market properties. Today, let's look for tired landlords in San Antonio. Upon searching, you can see Propwire found about 26,000 results of off-market tired landlord properties in San Antonio, Texas. Now, you can go through, you could still use the advanced filters to filter out beds, baths, any information about the property or finances that you'd like to see. And on the map, you can even see that this blue one here is listed on the MLS. All of these white ones are off-market properties. Propwire will continue to show you additional information, such as this property being owned by an absentee owner or that they own it free and clear. It'll also tell you whether or not it's owned by a corporation or an individual. Again, you can click on each of these properties to get more information. You're going to see a lot less information as if it was listed on the MLS because there is no description write-up, there's no listing agent, but this is going to tell you a lot of information about this property. For example, this property has 100% equity. They own it free and clear. We can click over to the owner tab to see that this owner does own 5 other properties in their portfolio for about $1 million portfolio. So they may be interested in offloading some of these properties, or they might be interested in buying more properties from you. All of these properties are not technically listed for sale, that's why they're off market, but this is where you can truly find some of the best deals available in your market. We have tons of tools available on Propwire to help you find your next real estate deal for free. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Propwire is your secret weapon for finding on-market and off-market properties. Visit the Propwire website today and power your real estate investment business to the next level.